Wales is a community within a community, and I think that is what makes us special and allows us to deliver world-class events the way we do.
Our sense of place is so important to us as a people, and different parts of Wales offer different things.
Mae'r iaith Gymraeg a diwylliant Cymraeg wedi bod yn hanfodol bwysig, a dwi'n credu bod ni'n deud y chwaraewyr bod ni'n teimlo fod nhw'n cynrychioli Cymru ifanc, modern, hyderus.
The festival has got a real sense of home, a sense of Wales about it.
Why can't world-class entertainment be in the heart of the valleys? It's very much about this place. All the artists are amazed by the location.
Mae yna busnes allan fan, a mae'n bwysig I ni yng Nghymru I fynd allan I ennill y busnes yma I fewn I lleoliadau ni.
Events contribute a great deal to the tourist economy, which in turn supports inward investment, it supports jobs.
Business events create a huge economic impact from the area, filling hotel bedrooms, restaurants in the area.
Event organising in Wales in the last 10 years have transformed. We now have some of the best operators in the world delivering events across Wales.
There's a lot of suppliers across the country that feed into a lot of these events, and without them, we wouldn't be able to deliver the events we deliver.
Mae'r effaith o gael gwyl yng Nghymru, gwyl mae pobl yn siarad am, gwyl mae pobl eisiau dod I ddi wedi clywed am, bod bands eisiau chwarae, bod diwydiant eisiau bod yn rhan ohono fe, yn enfawr, a mae'n ei gymaint fi'n credu I drawsnewid, delwedd, lle a gwlad.
Throughout the breadth of Wales, we now all speak as one voice and support each other through a difficult time. But as a result of that, we are now continuing to speak, and that's only a massive positive for the future.
We were successful in receiving the Cultural Recovery Fund, which was essential to us being able to come back post-Covid.
Fel Triathlon Cymru, ni'n gweithio mewn partneriaeth nawr gyda Cyngor Sir Abertawe, British Triathlon, UK Sport, y Llywodraeth, Chwaraeon Anabledd Gymru. A rili, trwy nerth y partneriaeth yna, I ni mewn lle le ni gallu sicrhau fod y digwyddiad yma'n mynd I fod yn llwyddiannus.
Mae'n bwysig iawn fod y parc a mudiadau eraill yn gweithio hefo'r cymunedau I sicrhau fod unrhyw ddigwyddiadau sydd yn mynd ymlaen yn y parc yn cael yr effaith mwyaf positif maen nhw'n gallu o ran yr economi ac o ran llesiant cymunedau yna.
Other creatives, when they come and work with hijinks, 90% of them are more inclusive in their work going forward. So that's what we want to do. We want to kind of expand out and have that ripple effect to increase opportunities and representation.
The well-being of future generations actually is now pivotal to what we do. It's about being a resilient Wales, being a healthier Wales. People take part in our 10K. They're getting healthier as a result. They're training as a result. They're inspired to get healthier as a result.
Our work is all about showcasing to the world the amazing inclusive talent that is out there.
People within our communities, they suffer a lot from mental health, from isolation. Pride is as much this idea of bringing different communities together as it is celebrating the LGBT+ community.
We are doing everything we can to make our event equal and accessible to everybody. We are going for the international certification in event sustainability.
Environmental sustainability has been a huge part of our world for a number of years. We make the footprint of Cardiff Half Marathon and other events as small as possible from an environmental point of view.
We don't have any single-use plastics throughout the venue.
There is no bottles on the beaches now, it's all out of water bowsers.
We filmed some of our events here, so we're saving a lot of carbon by international audiences being able to just join online.
Mae cael access a cyfle I cymryd rhan mewn digwyddiadau fel mae hwnna'n rili pwysig pan dyn ni'n ystyried lles meddyliol.
And that's not just great big events, it's small events as well. These are the sorts of things that bond us all together and give us a lot of joy.
The difference that Pride Cymru makes can be rolled out across Wales, different places where they're starting to have smaller prides, and you can already get the sense from speaking to people up there of the importance of having this kind of community event.
We feel the responsibility of ensuring that there's something to look forward to for ourselves and for the next generation.
In March 2020, we came to a standstill as an industry. I spent a lot of time working alongside various organisations to pull together how we reopen the industry.
Mae'r dyfodol yn edrych yn dda I fyny Cymru. Da ni yn dechrau cael yr inquiries I fewn ar gyfer 2023-2024
a mae'n edrych yn dda.
Events in Wales are back, and I think going forward we just need to keep this momentum.